Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to transfer money from Mexc to Binance. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. So first open your Mexc Exchange. And once you are successfully signed into your Mexc, tap on your wallets on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here you have to tap on withdraw and tap on the search bar and search for the coin which you want to transfer from Mexc to Binance. So here I will use USDT as an example. Now once you search for the coin, tap on that particular coin and select the first option, which is on-chain withdrawal. After that, you have to agree to their terms and then tap on confirm. Now we have to open Binance. So once we have opened Binance Exchange, tap on your wallets on the bottom right corner screen over there and then tap on deposit. Now again search for the same coin which you want to transfer. So I have selected USDT. Now tap on USDT and now here's the main part. Over here you have to choose the correct network. So over here I will use BNB Smart Chain BEP20 network as an example. Copy this deposit address and again come back into your Mexc Exchange. On the top we have to, in the withdrawal address, paste that address which we copied from Binance and then tap on network and this drop down menu will appear. So again we have to select the same network. So our network was BNB Smart Chain BEP20. I will select that network. So here you have to write down the amount you want to transfer from Mexc to Binance. After that you have to tap on confirm, and once you tap on confirm you will receive the confirmation email within a few moments or maybe an hour that you have successfully transferred money from Mexc to Binance, and that's how you can easily transfer your money from Mexc to Binance application. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe our channel.